In this video, we'll show you how to factory reset an iPhone 16. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Once you've completed the reset, your iPhone will be restored to its original, out-of-the-box state. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to back up your data. You can back up to iCloud or your computer to ensure your information is safe. Now, to begin, open the Settings app and scroll down to find General. Once there, scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, select Erase all content and settings. You'll be shown a summary of what will be removed from your device. Press Continue to move forward. Confirm your decision and enter your passcode when prompted. Next, you'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My and turn off Activation Lock. After that, tap Turn Off to confirm. Once confirmed, the reset process will begin.